Okay, so I'm getting ready to epoxy this cup for the first time. So this is a cup with one coat of spray paint and then Mod Podge and glitter on it. So in here I mixed 15 milliliters of each solution, A and B, and stirred it for about 3 minutes. So I'm going to start pouring that over and rubbing it in with gloved hands. So I'm just going to pour a little bit on, and with my fingers. Just smooth it up and down. And then put a little bit more. I'm going to turn it. And just keep putting it on and rubbing up and down. So this is the first coat. So after this, I will rotate this every couple minutes for about an hour or so. And then every 10 minutes or so for the next hour or two. Takes, it's a little bit cold here, so it takes a little bit longer to dry. About 5 to 6 hours at least. So then after it's dry tomorrow, I will come back and put the decal on it. And then do one more layer of epoxy on it. So I'm just going to go over it once more. Get it as smooth as I can. And this one, I forgot to take the tape off first and put a new piece of tape on after I glittered it. So I'm going to take the tape off in about 40 minutes and then I'll retape it again before I do the next layer of epoxy so I get a seal on the top and the bottom. So there is that one. So like I said, I'm just gonna keep rotating this because you will notice that after a few minutes, the epoxy will start going down with gravity and it will make like almost a drop down here. So you want to rotate it about 90 to 180 degrees every couple minutes so the epoxy lays smooth. So I'm just gonna let that go. And then every few minutes, I just rotate it a little bit. And then you'll see the epoxy kind of start to go down a little bit more. And then just keep rotating it. And you'll just have to watch it. Like I said, sometimes I rotate it for the first hour almost every couple minutes, and then kind of every 5 minutes, and then every 10 minutes, and then just kind of keep watching it. Every so often I have forgot to rotate it and it kind of pulls up a little bit. Okay, that's it.